Staying live with Tesla Studios. Yo, hey, we got DK in the house. I'm glad to be here, man. And I'm talking about this is a high tech, nice quality. I'm talking about it say record and relax. That's right. I'm talking about we straight up chilling. Hey, you relaxing, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about like chilling like a village. But I'm geeking like a Puerto Rican.
I'm talking about hungry for this thing. Hungry, man. Hey, this is place to be too, man. Right about now. Feel good, ain't hot. Yeah, you know what you doing there, man?
He's calling you again.
Oh,
it's Facebook Live too. I'm doing it live
okay.
So
let's see how we've been on TV.
Fat cat in the house, man.
Fat cat.
No, fat. Fat.
He's fat, but he ain't no cat, I tell you that. All three of that right. Look, Jay.
JJ, you want to say something to the people, man? Drama?
My Facebook live, bro. Facebook live.
Facebook Live. Y'all probably done saw my group before. But back on Facebook again with studio time. Just having fun.
Yes, sir.
I know Facebook Live, so we don't went Facebook Live at the house. We went Facebook Live at the house. They were rapping with me. Going out top of the dome. Facebook Live.
Well, you're not working things now.
This is simple work.
Yeah, six. Yeah, ain't no simple work, nigga. You just make it look simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you make it look simple, so you're a bad boy, man.
I'm not pretty big. Pretty big. Now, I remember when I was in a prison cell.
Yeah.
Laying on this.
Let go, Ron.
Hard map. They calling me out. They calling me here. We finna give y'all another little taste of this masterpiece. Get away. They were born in chain gang with me.
Yeah, all the doors are closed right now.
We don't need to be closed.
So just catch the tempo. I'm gonna start. I just catch the tempo. Tempo, Jared.
Start over there.
Hey, Jared. Yeah, there you go.
at all. If I could change the world, everything that causes us to sing, I'll change it. I would if I could. Yeah. If I could know the hardest of our world, what would become me? I stop it when it's planned out. If I could, and then somehow it got by, and all was done, I'll erase the hurt it comes to everyone. I would, if I could. Forgiveness will always abide in everyone's hearts and our lives.